Number 15. Transponet. The University Hospital Bonn and Schwarzwald Bar Clinic are among the largest in Germany. The former serves around 350,000 outpatients yearly, while the latter has 15 operating rooms and 24 departments. To improve clinic operations, pneumatic tubes have been built for speedier delivery of prescriptions, testing, and research findings. The installation effort was significant, with 16 km of pipes built at the University Hospital Bonn and 145 transfer stations. The result is one of Europe's largest networks, significantly improving worker convenience and efficiency. Number 14. Climeworks Mammoth. Welcome to Iceland, where Swiss business Climeworks has developed a unique factory dubbed Mammoth to conserve the Earth's atmosphere. At full capacity, Mammoth is the world's biggest plant, extracting about 36,000 tons of CO2 from the atmosphere each year. To put it in perspective, this is about comparable to the emissions from 8,000 gas-powered automobiles. Carbon is absorbed and stored in rocks, ultimately transforming into carbonate through chemical reactions. Mammoth's construction demonstrates Climeworks' modular assembly technique, which may also be used to build larger plants. Number 13. Biped. By 2050, there will be around 115 million blind persons globally, approximately 3 times as many as there are now. Engineers worldwide are exploring ways to improve the quality of life for blind individuals beyond the figures reported in the medical journal Lancet. Navigating modern cities with multi-lane roadways, busy streets, and unexpected hazards such as electric scooters may be challenging. A Swiss team developed a solution dubbed Biped, which is equivalent to a small Tesla. This is a gadget worn on the chest using straps, not an automobile. AI systems identify impediments and deliver messages to headphones via bone conduction technology, including navigation orders. Number 12. Sony Microsurgery Assistance Robot. Sony is currently working on many projects, including the Isla electric automobile, AI-powered cameras, and the Helldivers 2 gaming scandal. Recently, they debuted a fantastic robot surgeon. The technology is advanced enough to repair cuts in maize kernels. This robot will let surgeons do difficult surgeries on nerves and blood arteries less than a millimeter in diameter. Sony aims to address the scarcity of specialist doctors by developing a robot to ease the strain on present ones. The operator wears VR glasses to view a 4K 3D image on 2 OLED panels. The robot can change small surgical equipment without human interaction. Number 11. TAWI High-Frequency Lifter. In 2022, over 5.2 billion parcels were delivered, and the need for logistics services is increasing globally. Logistics centers are continually developing. TAWI manipulators are ideal for this purpose. They allow personnel to carry items up to 64 kilon with one hand. TAWI's design allows for 360-degree box rotation and grabbing from both top and sides. The inventors provide customized suction cups for different weights, and the control element may be adjusted to accommodate left-handed users. Twist manipulators are widely used in food processing facilities, in addition to logistics. Number 10. Qomolo Q-Truck. Between 1981 and 2019, American trucker pay decreased by around 21%. Rising gasoline costs make it tough to make ends meet. One trucker reports being unable to purchase his favorite pistachios, which may be a sign of things to come. Why hire humans when robots can drive? For example, consider the Q-Truck from Chinese firm Simo. It's already undergoing tests and being used in several ports in China. The Q-Truck moves with incredible precision, accurate to within 2 centimeters, and has a 360-degree view of its surroundings. Owing to its smart technology, it can do numerous tasks simultaneously, such as arranging routes for various orders at once. Now, the Q-Truck has a peak speed of just 40 kilometers per hour. It has a range of 150 kilometers on a full charge. The developers are sure to improve these numbers, but human drivers may struggle to adjust to life without breaks for rest, sleep, and toilet breaks. Number 9. Den for dogs. Over 1/3 of the world's families own dogs. However, some establishments overlook these figures and do not let animals inside, requiring you to leave your pet at the entrance. This can be troublesome during inclement weather, such as rain, snow, or wind. To solve this issue, Norway has implemented Den for dogs, mini booths that may be accessible with an app or key card. The inside has ventilation and automated floor heating to keep your pet at an appropriate temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. The booths include UVC light for hygiene and are constantly cleaned to ensure the comfort and safety of dogs while their owners browse. Number 8. Permanent marine barriers. These are used for both rubbish collection and oil spills. Spanish business Deezer offers lightweight and robust barriers. The floats are composed of high-strength polyethylene and filled with polyurethane foam. They may be easily replaced and attached to the barrier with stainless steel screws. According to the manufacturer, the barriers work well in currents and wind, and they stand up in seawater. They're also perfect for defending ports and marinas. Number 7. ISON's Drone Charging Station. Drones are everywhere. Some focus on improving durability and power, while others address the difficulty of charging methods. The ISON team proposes a solution poles fitted with pads that stretch automatically to meet drones. Sturdy platforms capable of reaching heights of up to 15 meters offer versatile uses. Consider integrating CCTV cameras, solar panels, or weather equipment. Picture going home in the evening as the street lights run up and down on their own. Number 6. Central Boiler. Central Boiler is the largest manufacturer of outdoor wood-fired furnaces in North America, producing the most popular models. The Central Boiler's journey began with welded metal components in a workshop, which is rather astounding. The Classic Edge HDX furnace burns 60% less wood and requires less weekly maintenance compared to other models. The Classic Edge HDX 960 titanium variant has a maximum power output of 117 kilowatts. The Maxim type, which works on wood and maize pellets, offers remote control and modification via the Firestar XP Wi-Fi module. However, these furnaces come at a high cost. The Classic Edge HDX 960 titanium variant costs $24,000. Number 5. Hurricane Roof Sprinkler. Last year, forest fires caused New York's worst air quality ever. This occurred in Canada, not the US, and is likely to happen again. The UN predicts a 30% rise in the frequency of catastrophic fires by 2050. They offer a hazard not just from open flames, but also from embers and sparks, which can cause fires on rooftops even distance from the source. To remedy this, the Code 3 water team created adaptable sprinklers. Designed to fit precisely on sloping roofs, these irrigation systems can cover a radius of around 82 meters with a 9-bar pressure. Although they cannot completely extinguish huge open flames, they are effective as part of a full protective system. Number 4. HaptX Gloves G1. The HaptX Gloves G1 revolutionize haptic technology by providing realistic touch sensations in virtual worlds. The glove's unique MyCure fluidic technology provides unparalleled realism. Experience the shape, texture, and motion of virtual objects. The G1 Glove's 135 tactile actuators provide precise feedback and up to 8 pounds of force per digit, resulting in a very realistic digital contact experience. Number 3. Xiaomi CyberDog 2. The Xiaomi CyberDog 2 is a cutting-edge quad robot that combines bionic design with artificial intelligence. It is 56 cm long and weighs only 8.9 kilo, making it small and nimble. The second-generation model's bio-inspired architecture allows it to walk, dance, and change colors with its distinctive skin. The system has many sensors, including an Intel RealSense D430 RGBD camera, ultrasonic sensors, and a TG30 Lyre sensor. It can do advanced tasks including as autonomous navigation, object tracking, and debris avoidance. It is also a technical wonder. This open-source platform for robotic pets allows developers to add their own innovations and adaptations. Number 2. HELIOVIS. Companies utilize solar concentrators to harvest solar energy for industrial purposes. Mirrors and glass are commonly used in these arrangements, making transportation and installation challenging. However, the Austrian business HELIOVIS has had enough. They developed a way to replace vulnerable parts with plastic sheets. This adjustment reduces expenditures by 55%, while maintaining efficiency compared to older approaches. The first industrial concentrator with this revolutionary design is located in Spain and is 220 meters long. It provides technical heat and saves thousands of liters of diesel fuel. Number 1. eBlue RGB Space House. The Space House is versatile and may be used for personal or commercial purposes, whether in a campground, resort, beach, or in nature. These modular buildings come in a variety of shapes, including the I-form measuring 11x 4x 3 meters. The luxury design, including plumbing, furnishings, and lighting, is reminiscent of future action flicks. The residences may be shipped in conventional 6 or 12-meter shipping containers, as if they were designed for Corbin Dallas or Douglas Quaid.